If you're not doing this when you post your YouTube videos onto Skool'd, then you're losing out on views and it could be potentially harming your traffic. So if you have a YouTube video and you're wanting to share it with your Skool'd community because you're like, this is great information for them and this will help me with my traffic because I'll get views. If you don't add and views to the end or question mark and views to the end of your YouTube link when you embed it over here, then your views are not counting towards your Skool'd channel. This is something that Andrew Kirby told me about. At first, it was just him, Sam, and a couple of the engineers that knew, and they use this for the Skool'd news episodes. So when he told me, I was like, I need to let you guys know. So let me show you what you can do to make sure that it is going to count towards your views. If I was wanting to share Layla's video, then what I would do is if I come to the very top and I go ahead and take that, you'll see that it says just youtube.com. So I'm going to copy that. And then I come over to embed it and I add it. So because it's youtube.com, I'm going to put the and symbol and then write views and then just click link. So now the views that come from this are going to show up on her channel. And if I come over here and I click share, when you click the share button, it's going to have the u2.be. So I'm going to copy that, come back over here. Let me go ahead and exit that one out. Add that, and then you just put question mark views. Now the views will count towards that YouTube channel. So if you're trying to grow your YouTube with Skool'd and you're trying to get more traffic, you want your views to count, this is just one simple step that you can do to make sure that you are getting all of the views on your YouTube channel, and it can help boost your videos and help with the traffic.